Wells Fargo, very basic trade. I don't talk much about my day trading here because I don't really day trade that much. I feel that my time is better spent just swing trading, building the business, making these videos as opposed to sitting in front of the screens. But today I noticed a couple of things that I really liked with Wells Fargo. So this two lines that you see right here, and I'm going to do a video on open range breakouts, but this is an ORB, and all an ORB stands for is open range breakout. So it's just showing you what the range of trading was within that given time. So I have a 15-minute ORB. So it's showing you what the range is between the first 15 minutes of open. Most stocks will trade between those ranges. And once it breaks that range, that's normally the trend for the day. So let's go back and look at 3 days ago. 3 days ago over here, we were trading between the 15-minute open range breakout. We broke out to the upside and we continued that run. The next day, we were trading between that 15-minute open range breakout. We broke the downside, started trending down. So that's very important. It's not always like this, but most of the time, this is a very good way for you guys to be day trading. And the same situation happened today. I saw that we were trading around here with this open range breakout right around 10:06 a.m. and I entered right here. We ran all the way up. I took profits because this was an old support yesterday. And I also want to go to the gym today and make this video, so I don't want to be in a trade, but it's looking pretty solid. And I think I'm actually going to live while I'm here. I think I'm actually going to re-enter this trade because we're starting to push up through that open range breakout once again. And I would like to re-enter my position on Wells Fargo. And the beautiful thing is, what I like about re-entering positions on Wells Fargo is that, or just re-entering a day trade position in general, the one thing that I like is I'm already up. So I actually have at this point a little buffer system to where if I give some profits back for the end of the day, it's not that big of a deal. But I'm going to go through, I'm going to call this out to my premium group right now at everyone just re-entered Wells Fargo. Same contracts. So if you are part of the group, this is basically what you will end up seeing when I end up posting a trade. But the reason I'm re-entering right now, that is the wrong chat room. But the reason that I like to enter this trade right now is because we're pushing back up over that ORB. So what I'm going to be looking to do here from this standpoint is enter at 38 right here, 38.66. I'm going to be looking to exit once again up around $39, and I will be looking to set a stop loss down here under 38.50. So at this point, I have a 2.19 risk versus reward ratio, and I'm really going to be watching for a potential breakout to the upside. But that's how I took this trade. You're watching me re-enter this trade right now, and that's why I like it. So we'll see what happens. If I lose money, I lose money. If I make money, I make money. I'll come back and I'll share at the end of the day.